Empany for the bubesa swanty anyone wam the tikopo. I was your 2 for 1 tia or quantia de. Nesantana with a comedian so a soon a cost for for Chajo. Car dealers. Edward 4. Any teachers for Wisia. Omunsunu Gujemo, a queer 4 in Shimubi, or Mode Subo, Ebo John Mahama, and then this 7 was all by ye no Bibia Jagu. Oh, plans na shiegu, dreams in Nara shiegu, Ghana memo na shiegu, Eradeji na ye. The man, I pay up me, the mess was any demo. Or like if you don't know that one, subscribe button, and click the notification, latest update about the word and the ever comment section. Oh, what's what? Not sure if it's only be Asher. You know, yeah, the Boba Kukum the mommy and say, I was this particular video. Young fans started Ghana teacher phone. I was young only say. And when was in a pie, numerous we are no. Young so Kenya here no manager. There be mistake because only we say deeper obey. And your brony and the 3 want to tell you today. I dare say, I feel another way when only that. Oh, there only. And within the head, nipa oya arm rubber, opa boni suit, a shed or the 2 ebe show. Yenim John Mahama and this a memo back 2013. Yet nothing was out there, dear friend, teachers, and I said Mahama 3 months pay policy a buy. 3 months pay policy, I know that time no. Teachers, foreign nurses, for near 4 months for almost in this way. Oh, yeah, 3 years, sir. Na Mahama et your boss me answer packet to an amount. At that time no. Nurses need teachers for soon.
National leadership of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association has given government 14 working days to abolish the policy whereby workers are paid only 3 months arrears after working for 2 or 3 years.
National President Kweku Asante Krobia was speaking at a news conference here in Accra.
In 2013, government introduced the 3 months payment policy, where public sector workers who had worked for more than 2 years were paid only 3 months arrears.
We hereby call for the abolition of this 3 months salary arrears policy and call on the Ministry of Health and its agencies, as well as the Ministry of Finance, to revert to the old policy where all salary arrears are paid at a go.
It has given government 14 working days to abolish the policy or risk a nationwide strike.
1st to 6th of November, the wearing of red bands. 7th to 13th of November, withdrawal of all outpatient department services. Only emergency and maternity cases will receive attention. And 14th November 2016 onwards, industrial action begins.
Again, the association was worried that over 2,000 of its members have still not received their salary arrears, while some of them have worked for 16 months without salary. The association is disturbed that the Ghana Health Service is charging between 100 and 160 cedis from nurses before conducting interviews to promote them.
We therefore call on the Director General of the Ghana Health Service to halt this arrangement and to desist from this obnoxious practice in the coming years. If the trend continues next year, the association will definitely advise itself. Meanwhile, we advise our members to desist forthwith from paying any interview fees to any facility where they have to attend interviews.
On psychiatric nurses, the association asked government to provide the resources while entreating government to also immediately transfer second-tier funds to the custodians.
Even Akufo-Addo Mahama April 2016, net teachers were cut to the 15 million, 1,500 a month. Akufo-Addo won't be still no. MBBA call from demonstrations and the cost Mahama memo the first time. Yeah, who be say Akufo-Addo memo. But interestingly, yeah, got 224 elections in the moon. Now I'm focused Akufo-Addo. NMP for the Ghana for him. O more teacher for him. 1820 I was in got 2 boom. Now kwa by the teacher for no yentio muka. O my from my from oh. O my judgment go 2 years in yaka to Yamaye. Oh, was a comedian as well. It's very must be part. Now recently no. I know demonstration for share. So we go back at Krana. There was a letter every GS, any Minister of Education by ye. I know the Oshe. To actually for this head, move here no be anti and Simon so See I say market you am me condition of service you are not meeting enti me koya picketing and I say me koya demonstration omo de wo share by am even that time kwa no teachers for no be fu ya beke kan wa dwen tan de kira ban no where we say forget to cry sure you say a hungry man is an angry man a common day ya ni abre bu fu pa forget to let teachers for na say yesterday na yesterday ni more the pa hall cry no Mahama Odeyeka Uchumutai Odeyeka Odeyeka Uchumutai Odeyeka Odeyeka Uchumutai Odeyeka Odeyeka Uchumutai Odeyeka Haruna Odeyeka Uchumuta Odeyeka Haruna Odeyeka Uchumuta Odeyeka Mahama Odeyeka Uchumuta Odeyeka Mahama Odeyeka Uchumuta Odeyeka come on. I said, come on.
Obia ma school kakra se me be na ma be boa enchirima me di minim di ato onom. There was a time I was nearly bitten by a snake just because me prepare form 3 for science, a whole science, and you want to take my money. You don't want to pay me for a year now. Open some info come and then the medical be the fear foka and then I say for it is so bad. It's a basic John Mahama said. If he really is a father, one just for a father, not father for only one side. You see, or a day, on your two forces, or more than my say.
Now, said the teacher for the money is come seminar. The same way, Anna, just a memoir. Yes, say, conformity cast the Croatia, yen team. Has it? Yen team. And I say, oh, we in Katia, never go cross here. I said, the old woman, auntie, I remember no, and one sector, I can't be a Okobi as a car dealers. I care for any for Busia. Obia is
container metia 64,000 just about a month ago. The current one, they are bringing me 140,000. The same item. BB answer say. What you say? And a Voxy here near 50-something thousand. Vox you be do to your dear man and AI dear man and is about 400,000. Can't you on say? Yes.
About 7 million.
No, can't you on say?
I have it here.
Voxy
7 million.
Yes.
7 million.
Obi chicken container. Maybe assign out here 2.8 million. Yeah. One box.
Yeah. One container.
What's it?
One container is one box.
One container. 2.8 million. And they the container neba. Okoto. Now ship na de ba bedru Ghana what one we no sika wunya nyina wanya faso pa e bia 490,000 500,000 as you see kotua do 2.8 million and ya buy no person of no de auction man the party ma enti auction ne ma de say be bo man disifo benya bebre
asema okay ana se say no ade akoba no say container obi first otua be 60,000 and then way back 288,000.
Almost there.
Near Yeshia Finance Ministry. I'm a medic second receipt. And I mean the Commissioner General Ekasai. Make our finance almost see me for evidence. And no man me PA. I forwarded today to me. And to be catch agents, they said they should go and follow up because they are not calling us. Or Munka and today, and to go follow up. Me no catch agents in that so head office. Oh, because at the area good system no. Said you mean you can say cost of doing business are cost. And then you see dollar rates no higher, amaya stabilizing anti-ankai. We have to capitalize on that. Now, a market me. Now we issue abemo na the 60,000 na dem ko 280 traders no ye for Christmas
too much na anye bia no before say ye be implement this publican AI no aban engage mo kwan bia so GRA Ministry of Finance o man engage mo
once omu frɛ yɛ kɔ Oakfield ɛna ye tietia mu ka sɛ o AI no ye nim ne bobre enti omu ma yenti ase enti omu pese omu be ye ona nkomo ya mu dwi sɛ omu ko lanchi enti ye tia mu no ɛna omu frɛ yɛ kɔ Oakfield ɛna ye kɔ na hu ne sɛ ma AI publicans is a way no omu buy and omu be illustrations say bisa omu asem in some way bisa omu say there is a push factor omu ka say oh traders and as importers here dubious now then I can say there was a time then candidate His Excellency John Mahama or share your wisely gone we counted the variables on the duty paper.
Yeah.
You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we do up to 22. And no can say on one can say, whoa. Now by wedding, obey you be. And now we are looking forward, say, or can so be rationalizing figures. And you are looking forward, say, who be rationalizing system, who rationalizing the figures, ni about former. They just say, would we know Shim Krana we are but say no the answer. The other more advantage would be good Juma and no more. Yeah. Wow.
So you don't believe you need short memory. Me every 100 years to cram in 200 years cram in short memory. Nyamia ni sa usha bayira dosro, the akoswa bra we are the Akoswa, Papa, where do you run more? And so maybe I am in a papa, says I want to swim in a papa. Or back a kind of now on Yama Papa Pia or the Yamaya. So on any of my Papa Pia, no fees, I am penny. It's about the other man, so sort of Coranaswa. Only one money that's why I am. And Nadia Doma, I said you want to tell me what can go for Pradia near me. Shababia go for Swap. Every fan. Now we all want to for me, no one can say, me grab you for you be to Saba, Akayana, you tell Cabo to me, me papa, you tell the Cabo for me. When I tell Cabo to me, it's what you're rooting, me papa to me, you're rooting. Now, what shall I say? I could father your crown for as I think I could father my says 6,000. 6,000, I could father to I'm at 3,000 to your back. What am I at 6,000? 25 will cry you, your mamma day. Ghana for Paniben over the young. Ghana for Paniben, a Ghana for the young. See our part of Mamma, or Pejana, or Pejana. Market, it's my market.
I'm even NDC near Abrantia Listower, and no fem, Listower, and no fem, as a Pumukoto or no Cresu.
Now, I bind the idea Biaba, Kotobe Kumuma.
And anyway,
oh, say, me means me your campaign, my buying my mayor, Emigumejuma. Me yet. And we know, me the 2-bedroom because my could be baby at the mortgage at wow. Our pot.
Oh.
Yes, me. Listower, the mortgage action in your man. Because Sikaya the other 2 million so say, me fanku yi nyoma me says can be na me nyoma me clear no me tria says can be da because enkophobia koye kanana e de ade bia kwakoto ato force in desk so aye friend AI hwe sankofo minimum nyina
AI no ne den
o say the AI na yi nyoma the AI na calculate nyoma wo koto frama no ne ba ene ye dey calculate me yama say me moso we may tete ho keke because se basa was said bia me ye bia me ya me nya campaign ma ban me gumaduma me nya da I now wo dey ko fa ankofo na ko fa company no mo ko register no Cyprus we record ni say how can you have a standalone entity or be adwuma e wo Ghana Ports and Harbour e dey na onim AI hwe Fatu AI so say AI where does Ohineba Buama stay? Fatu so say and say AI be ma answer. What me ma answer? Because you say bibi gigo garbage in garbage out.
The idea man no.
AI can only function when there is a data, accurate data. Mo consider and contract. Just in a day, most money step over whatever. So you are empowering the importer to enrich the government. What to be that? How? It me there. My study American Asɛm, and I don't want it to be because my homework or my tia obi am person obi fine. They say me no ma demorage. And minim the entia customs say what ba abem na customs wo ho na oye na adwuma. If you feel say there is something that is it's not right, correct it. Don't compound the problem. Don't compound the problem. Me pese me di me papers ni me bibia be ba na mo dia to TV so. Na we the best of brains and your calculation, you know. Mo pekura mo company na me koto nyoma no e wo ne ho wo India. Na mo ni mo ko tena se na mo so mo nyoma amato. Na mo fa me calculate me duty ma me na me ntua. Me koya adwuma ne AI, ma nya campaign ma AI. Ada na mo ma nipa etete sa. Ada na mo titi nipa sa. Se no kakra wo nipa ho so a mo amu didi amu mo bia kakra so wo nipa ho so no so di na adwuma so wo pese mo sa hye no. What kind of life is this? Etimi de media matete ho. Because minim enkofo ko mo share tire MPP for Jeffrey Cole or MPP ni oni kano forata omo na koye sa CTN Ghana Limited omo de be di sika di ye no. The same people na omo ni ato force yes adwuma no. And I'm minded because atu ye obi am buni papa. Minim say owunimdie sonko me penasem too much but say pusu bibi na say ema na bibi kuram me nkotena honum na me ma obi say me betra studio na aban no da bi na me wu adwuma me nya da obi anu a wabo bi dwatire and I say bi me nko bi koto bekun ma me nye AI no eye krono. It's armed robbery. How can you go and employ a company that won't call register on Cyprus? Anyone yampo. Anyone AI for no me company na me no mu ya adwuma Anteza. They came and bought data from us. How can you be behaving like this? I want a proper time. Me ya metra say, I can educate them properly. It's a scam. It's armed robbery. And I'm not shutting up. I'm not shutting up. And I'm on yes, sir. How? See, you feel me? Now, I dare you know, say, Enye. Not for Faba. All because, Omo say, a baby here revenue. And revenue there, sabi we catch it at force and say, bet me I say I'm when your revenue now. Obejedi. In one breath, I wouldn't talk about it because I felt said they were going to share would be a profit owner. But to sign a contract, say, only pakono commission ya Ubenyano, Ubenya commission from a Sikadodwa Ubenya. Wow. Please. And then make now the family who are be. Okay, let's take me time. Now my educated listeners, ni viewers, no biya. I'm who diakosu from what time? We been John Mahama first time, and I can sign contract, making sure say you better Ghana for you advanced shipment information. It will go cranium free Togo, will cranium free wherever in the world. Never Ghana, and your man now wako crano say a shirt back wa. Obeba Ghana no ni atro say wo the shirt baako e to container ni. Enti shirt baako no woto ne sen ni atro ni nyina de ama Ghana. Enti interstate communication. Okay. Enti wuntimi ma Ghana meka se man to shirt, me to singlet. This is what John Mahama in his first term MPP for buy no mko via mko tie company bi. Company no oni World Trade Organization nim hweye. And this same company no madam ye ni no mo dia ba true there. This same company. No mo matimi atena won ma mo dada mo. See the AI e ba be duty. What be that? Data be no dey be duty no. Say am akoto no ma be dey good container mu. A variety of things. E be dey na AI let me determine and your man no. Obeden wo hu baby am to no my
first bill ni ya tete.
Obeden wo hu.
Obeden wo Saturday we out of free store we.
Ya ka bibia mu ntie. Oh, sanyo ma no mempe. Mo sum nipa. Enye mmoa na mo sum yen. Enti ya kasa mu ntie yen. Because yen ni ma memma wanim. If I don't know, I would rather listen. But I may can't say I make sure say I understand it properly. Properly. It is a scam. It's a chrono. So we custom for ni now say customs. Ejuma mo ye na so ania. Go customs. Go no. Now one kasa ko tna port for na duty.
Period.
But so be ka tell me say customs wo ho ye na ejuma. Makwa fa ejuma ku a eye criminals. Minimum Jeffrey Ko was starting ball man rape no. Me an kasa na ko OSP.
Sir.
Yes. CTN Ghana Limited. Google me CTN Police Store na poku. Na bo CTN Ghana Limited. You will see the company. 2018. Me no mo cheso na can for attack us okay. I don't know much asensen. No ma sa danu mo hu bia broni akwa for rated Romadoso e dey baba be Ghana foko. What kind of life is that? Please.
Okay.
Please.
Tira wa je wa me e wo comment section. Ai penya block media. Alright.